straight line, okay? I'm going to start right here, and then I'm going to go all the way down. Okay? Can you do that right here for me? Make sure you stay inside the box. Very good. Okay, wait. 1 second. I'm going to do another one right here, okay? I'm going to do a line like this. Straight down, and then straight across.
X.
Can you do that right there for me?
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to draw a different shape right here, okay? Watch me.
A circle.
Right.
I can draw a circle too.
Right here. Very good. Oh, wait. We're going to just draw. Okay. Very good. Okay, now let's turn the page. Okay, do you see this line right here? Can you draw the very same thing right there? Stay inside the box. Very good. And then how about this one? Good job. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's turn the page. Okay. How about this one? Stay inside the box. Okay. And now what about this one? Is that how that one looks? Okay, and what about this one? Is that how that one looks?
No.
Can you draw it just like this one looks?
I don't know how.
Okay, that's good. That was a good try. Now let's try these, okay? See how this one looks? Okay, and now what about this one? Try to stay inside the box. Look, Elise, you see this one right here? This picture? Can you draw a picture like that right here? And then how about this one? Look, here you go. Good job. Okay.
Look at this one.
Now look at this one right here. This one's kind of tricky. Can you try to draw it right there? Try the best you can. Okay. And then how about this one?
That's a lot.
Yeah. Okay. And then what about this one? Whoa. Hey, look, Elise. Look at this one right here. Can you try really hard to make this picture look like this one?
I'm gonna draw right here.
No, nope, right here. We're supposed to draw right here in this box. Okay.
Whoa, these are some tiny dots.